Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is 𝐂𝐃𝐄 and we are back with another video. For today's video, of course, we're doing a natural hairstyle for you guys. I love to share my protective, natural, super easy hairstyles with you. And today we'll be working with QVR Hair. They did send us their 16-inch natural Afro kinky bulk hair. Should be super fun. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move right along to the video. But I will be leaving the link down below for any of you who want to purchase this hair. Go ahead and check out my description. I'm just gonna move right along. So they did send us 5 packs and we received 4 of the natural color, and then we also received a pack of red. So we're about to do a little bit of both, so let's move right along to the install. This is what the texture looks like, pretty much just like my natural hair. Like, this is it. This is their 16-inch Afro kinky bulk hair, and I'm super excited. I've never really done like bulk hair before. I've always done like the pre-twisted or untwisted crochet hair, but this should be super fun, super exciting, trying something new. This is it. It's super soft, I must say, and yeah, super excited. so this is the final look. Super pretty. I love how it turned out, but this is the result. I love it. I love how it turned out. So I just added a few of the red pieces in there, but nevertheless it turned out super pretty. This is it. It's super lightweight. Again, today we're working with QVR Hair, and this is their 16-inch Afro kinky bulk hair, and I love how this turned out. It is super gorgeous. I love the final look. I feel like the little touches of red just add a little bit more to the look, and it's super gorgeous. If you want to get this hair, go ahead and check out my description and make your purchase. If you want to get any of their products, then their website will be in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is where I'm leaving you for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.